The Role of Technology in Crisis Management. Title: The Role of Technology in Crisis Management. Introduction. In recent years, the world has witnessed an increase in the frequency and severity of crises, ranging from natural disasters to pandemics and cyberattacks. In times of crisis, the ability to effectively manage and mitigate the impact of these events is crucial. Technology has emerged as a powerful tool in crisis management, playing a vital role in enhancing preparedness, response, and recovery efforts. This article dives into the multifaceted role that technology plays in crisis management and explores its impact on various aspects of crisis response. 1. Early warning systems. One of the key areas where technology has revolutionized crisis management is through the development and implementation of early warning systems. These systems rely on advanced technologies such as sensors, satellites, and data analytics to gather and process real-time information about potential crises. For example, seismic sensors can detect and transmit earthquake warnings, giving communities precious seconds or even minutes to take necessary precautions. Such early warning systems have proven instrumental in saving lives and minimizing damage. 2. Communication and information sharing. Effective communication and timely dissemination of accurate information are paramount during a crisis. Technology has significantly transformed the way crisis-related information is shared among various stakeholders, including emergency responders, government agencies, and the public. 3. Geographic Information Systems, GIS. Geographic Information Systems, GIS, have become indispensable tools in crisis management. GIS technology integrates various data sources, including satellite imagery, topographic maps, and demographic information, to provide graphical representations and analysis of the affected areas. This enables emergency management teams to better understand the geographical context, identify vulnerable populations, and plan evacuation routes or resource allocation effectively. GIS also supports situational awareness by providing real-time updates on the evolving crisis. 4. Big data analytics. The rapid growth of big data has revolutionized crisis management and response. By leveraging advanced analytics tools, organizations can process vast amounts of data collected from various sources, such as social media, sensors, and surveillance systems. This data can then be analyzed in real time to identify patterns, detect anomalies, and predict the spread of a crisis. For instance, during disease outbreaks, big data analytics can help identify hotspots, track the movement of infected individuals, and optimize the distribution of medical resources. 5. Remote sensing and drones. Remote sensing technologies, including satellite imagery and aerial drones, play a crucial role in crisis management. Satellites can capture high-resolution images of affected areas, enabling emergency responders to assess the extent of damage, identify critical infrastructure, and plan rescue operations. Drones provide real-time aerial views of disaster zones, aiding in search and rescue missions, damage assessment, and reconnaissance. These technologies not only improve the efficiency of crisis response but also ensure the safety of responders by reducing their exposure to potential hazards. 6. Simulation and training. Technology has transformed crisis management training programs, making them more immersive and realistic. Simulations and virtual reality (VR) platforms allow emergency responders and decision-makers to practice crisis response strategies in a safe environment. By simulating various scenarios, individuals can develop critical skills, enhance coordination among different agencies, and test the effectiveness of preparedness plans. These training programs help bridge the gap between theoretical knowledge and practical application, ensuring a more effective response during a crisis. AI technologies, such as machine learning and natural language processing, can analyze vast amounts of data and identify trends, patterns, and anomalies that humans may overlook. This can help emergency responders and decision makers make data-driven decisions, prioritize resources, and allocate them where they are most needed. I can also assist in automating certain processes, such as data collection and analysis, freeing up human resources for more critical tasks. AI devices, such as sensors and cameras, can provide valuable information about the status of infrastructure, environmental conditions, and even the health of individuals in affected areas. This data can enable faster response times, more accurate situational awareness, and proactive decision-making. For example, AI devices can monitor the structural integrity of buildings during an earthquake, alerting authorities if there is a risk of collapse. 9. Robotics and automation. Robotic technologies have the potential to play a significant role in crisis management, particularly in situations that are hazardous or inaccessible to humans. Robots can be used for search and rescue operations in disaster-stricken areas, safely navigating through debris and locating survivors. They can also be utilized for tasks such as reconnaissance, transportation of supplies, or even performing medical procedures. Additionally, automation technologies can streamline administrative and logistical processes, improving the efficiency of crisis response operations. 10. Cybersecurity and crisis management. As technology becomes more integrated into crisis management, cybersecurity becomes a critical consideration. Crises often attract cyberattacks, which can disrupt critical infrastructure, compromise communication systems, or steal sensitive information. Therefore, robust cybersecurity measures are necessary to protect the integrity and confidentiality of crisis management processes and data. This includes ensuring the security of networks, adopting encryption techniques, and implementing strong access controls to prevent unauthorized access. 11. Public engagement and crowdsourcing. Technology has also enabled greater public engagement and involvement in crisis management efforts through crowdsourcing platforms. During a crisis, individuals can contribute information, photos, videos, and eyewitness accounts through social media or dedicated platforms. This collective intelligence can provide valuable situational awareness and help fill gaps in official information. Additionally, crowdsourcing can engage the public in activities such as volunteer coordination, resource mobilization, or mapping affected areas, fostering a sense of community and resilience. 12. Resilience and recovery technologies. Beyond crisis response, technology also plays a crucial role in facilitating recovery and building resilience in affected communities. For example, smart infrastructure systems can help monitor the condition of buildings, bridges, and utilities to detect vulnerabilities and plan maintenance or upgrades. Additionally, innovative housing solutions, such as 3D printing or modular construction, can enable faster and more cost-effective rebuilding efforts. Furthermore, technology can support the provision of essential services, such as healthcare, education, or financial assistance, to help communities recover and thrive after a crisis. Privacy concerns may arise when collecting and sharing personal data during a crisis response. Striking a balance between the collection of necessary information and preserving individuals' privacy rights is crucial. Additionally, biases can be introduced in algorithms used for data analysis, impacting the fairness and effectiveness of response efforts. It is essential to ensure that technology is designed and deployed in an ethical manner, with transparency and accountability at the forefront. 14. Collaborative platforms for crisis coordination. Collaborative platforms facilitate real-time coordination among multiple agencies and organizations involved in crisis management. These platforms provide a centralized space for sharing information, coordinating resources, and exchanging updates. 15. Mobile applications for emergency preparedness. Mobile applications have become valuable tools in promoting emergency preparedness among individuals. These applications provide access to useful resources, such as emergency contact information, first aid instructions, and disaster preparedness guides. Additionally, some applications offer features like location sharing, which can help locate family members or notify authorities in case of an emergency. By leveraging the ubiquity of smartphones, mobile applications empower individuals to take an active role in preparing for and responding to crises. 16. Data visualization for improved situational awareness. Effective crisis management relies on accurate and timely situational awareness.